Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to Hasim Electronics. Friends, I have this LED 32-inch and it is using E469119 E469119 LED strip. It is using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 LEDs, and it needs every LED. It is 3 volt. All LEDs are in series, so you can test if you don't have LED tester, because this TV, this have no video, it have audio. This LED strip have here positive and negative, positive and negative. Here is positive, so how much voltage we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 multiplied by 3 volt, 7 LEDs multiplied by 3 volt, that is 21 volt approximately. So if you have LED tester, backlight tester, you will connect the power connector and you can test. But if you want to test individual LED, because this time this strip is not working, so set multimeter to LED mode, and there are small dots. There are small dots. Right side, the right side here negative. So we can test like this. 2 LEDs, in series. So using multimeter we can test the LED strips. I have it is 3 volts. We can test one by one. So this LED is not working. This LED, the last LED, have no action. If I check this, it have action, it have light. This LED is not functioning. We can connect power to every LED. We have 3 volt supply. This LED is off. So this LED bad and this LED bad. This negative, 1, 2, 3 LEDs at a time. It's okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 9 volts. If you have 9 volts, up to here it is working. This LED have no action. If you have 9 volt battery, you will connect 3 LEDs in series. Negative line of this battery we will connect to this end, and we can make jumper and we can test it. If you have 3.6 volt battery, then you will use one by one. Then we will test one by one. This LED, I remove the cover. So this LED is bad. So in this line, three volt battery connect to parallel. This LED is bad. So every strip have one LED, one LED, one LED, one LED. So when in series one LED is damaged, it will not work. If you want to repair this LED strip, you can repair it, or you can order it from Amazon or eBay or anything, or from your local vendor. Now I will remove it using heat gun. For just only testing, it is just for test. I removed this LED and this LED because these were open. Just for testing, I made a jumper here and here, and we can test it now. Now we have 1, 2, 3 and 2, 5. 15, we need 15 volts. 15 volts. So these three these LEDs are working, and we have problem in 2 LEDs. Now here we have to remove this LED. Now I can make jumper for testing. Or if I have another panel, now I need 18 volt because I have 2, 4, 6. I have 6 LEDs. So I can connect 17.3 volt. So just only one LED, that was bad. So I removed it. Now this panel is working. Now we will connect power to test the LEDs. When you apply power, I connected the main board. Oh, very nice. Now I have to replace 1, 2, 3 and 4 LEDs, and it will work. In this way we can test LED strips without LED tester, backlight tester. We can test with multimeter, or we can use with 3 volt power supply applying across each LED, or we can apply 9 volt battery. We can use 9 volt battery for every 3 LEDs, from this point to this point to like this. If this video is good for you, if you want to press bell icon button, if you want to subscribe, it is up to you. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.